Sarah, why are you still in your pajamas?
These aren't my pajamas. It's called a gi. I wear it for my karate class.
Silly me. I'll be ready in just
I think someone wants to go outside.